Good morning. What I'm going to show you now is how to do a voiceover and turn your keynote into a short video to share with your students. What I've got here is my sample video. It's the same keynote I'm using for all my recordings today based around the video. So when we open up Keynote, we'll get our slides down the left hand side, our main display screen here. On the right hand side, we've got a few options. We've got our format, animate and document. We want to click on the document one. Then it's document here, and then what we've got here is audio. We click on there, and from here we can actually do our voice recording. So when we click on record, it'll change to the format that we've got here. We'll see the main slide which the recording will take place on when we speak. We have our next slide here where they can move through the different slides at the pace that we see fit. We've got the time here, but that isn't actually shown up in the recording. Down here we have the audio, so as I speak louder, test 1, 2, it comes down. We've got our record button here as well. So I'm going to just do a sample recording and then I'll show you how to export it out to a movie. So I press start recording, gives us our 3, 2, 1 countdown, so we're all ready to go. Now as I'm speaking and recording, what we actually hear here is my voice will be recording on top of this slide. So I can say creating videos for distance learning, a video for teachers to help them in the process. I can click on the next slide. So what I'm speaking to about now will appear on top of this slide. So why do we create videos? I could outline that. Where do we place the video and so on? I'll work my way through it. So once I've gone through all my slides and record them, it's a matter of pressing stop recording. It'll stop recording at this point. We close the window down. We come back into here, we see the audio recordings recorded here. We can listen to the soundtrack on here if we add a soundtrack if we wish to. We've got our recording. So what we need to do now is export it as a movie so we can then put it on and share it with our students. We click on the file menu, we go down to export, and there's different options. We need to pick the movie option, so not animated GIF or PDF or PowerPoint, a movie option. It will then come up with a whole lot of options there. I would leave it on slideshow recording. You can leave it on self playing. You'll move through the speed as you see fit, but I think recording. Also the resolution. So if you're just putting out computers or sharing, depending on the quality of your images, you can do the basic one. Basically the higher the number, so 720p, 1080p, the higher the quality of the video that will be recorded. I'm going to pick 1080p. The advantage of recording to a high quality to start with simply means that if I choose not to use it online, but in the classroom, I have a high quality recording to share with the students, depending on what my content is. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to press next. Ask me where I want to save it. I've already created a folder on my desktop called Video Export. I'm going to call this Keynote. As you see, I've already got a folder on my desktop to record it. I'm going to call this Keynote Recording, and I'm going to save it out there, and I'll call it Latest, so I know which one is which. I'll then press Export. The file will then export. The exporting time really depends on how many slides you've got, how much audio you've recorded. The more talking, the more slides, the longer it will naturally take. So once that's done, I hide my video away. I go look at my video export. We have our latest recording there. It's exported as a 15 megabyte file. If I press ready to go, create videos, I could outline that. As you hear from there, my voice has been recorded very clearly on top of the video, and it's now available. You can then upload it to the place of your choice to share it with your students. Thank you.